Hello my guys, your guy is back again. My name is Nkemdirim AGOHA, Ground Aviation at Munich International Airport. Motivation speaker. Today we are talking about how you can use your time effectively. In fact, the most common gift that God ever gave any human is time. What you are and what you become depends how you use your time. I am talking about 7.5 billion people living on earth today, all possess the same amount of time. The beggar and the billionaire both have the same amount of time every day. All of us, we are different in sizes, in height, ethnic group, different colors, different countries, but we all possess one thing in common: time. Time has no respect for any human. You can't stop an hour. You can't stop a day. But you can control how time should be used. How do you use your time? How do you squander your time? You have no time forever. Time is the most powerful forces on planet and should be managed and should be used very effectively. What is time? Time is an interruption in eternity. So therefore, the key to life is what you become in life determine how you use and manage your time. Do you spend the whole day on phone? Do you sit, sleeping, wasting the whole time, squandering your time? You have to be careful because God put you on time, but He doesn't live on it. Time is very important. Time is money. Use your time very effectively. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Time is an interruption in eternity. Time is powerful. Time has no respect for anybody. Make use of your time effectively. Like this video, share this video, comment on this video, subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. This is Doings. Goodbye. Peace.